Windsor Eton was set up in 2010 by 4 friends who decided it needed a damn good craft brewery in the centre of it. So we got together, put up the money, and we've grown the business over the last 13 years. The last commercial brewery in Windsor was 80 years ago. Windsor was a major producer of beer for the London trade and used to ship the beer down the Thames. Over the years, that market has withdrawn, and we wanted to return brewing to its proper heartland in Windsor. We produce beer in cask, keg, bottle and our own on-site canning line. When we first set up, we thought we were going to be a single product brewery. At any one time now, we'll probably have about 40 SKUs on sale. We're producing 1.4 million pints a year, and we're also now operating on the retail side of things. So we have our own craft bar here at the brewery.
At Windsor Eton Brewery, we filter pretty much all of our beer with the exception of our cask ales. All of our keg, bottle and our can beer all goes through a filter to get rid of hop debris and excess yeast that we don't want. Depending on the style of beer, we might want a very bright beer, we might want something that's quite hazy, but in all cases we'll pass the beer through at least one coarse filter, and that's where Russell Finex comes in. Our previous filtration solution was not adequate for the task, it was far too small. The operator who was moving the beer about would have to stop the flow every 5 minutes, take the filter off, clean it, re-sterilise it and put the filter back in place. It caused a lot of yield loss as well. Ever since we got in touch with Russell Finex, our local sales engineer has been very supportive of an understanding of our needs. We had a higher piece of equipment to see if it really fitted with our process. We could certainly see that there was benefits to be made. The greatest benefit is the infinite capacity that the filter screen has with the automatic wiper blade. It means that we don't have to stop the filtration process mid-flow. So we've ended up with a core model of machine, but the actual full setup is completely bespoke with an integrated pump and electronic control panel.
We save both product, the labour, it improves quality, and of course it reduces beer losses, which are significant for the brewery. Therefore, the return on investment, if you take all those factors, is about a year on what we originally spent.
When we made the decision to actually purchase a machine, Russell Finex spent a lot of time understanding exactly what we wanted from our filtration system. We've had lots of repeat visits to make sure that it is doing the task that it was put in to do. For any potential Russell Finex customers, be very clear about your needs and expectations. Russell Finex will find a way to engineer a bespoke solution for your filtration needs.